Alright, so part of what today's video is going to be is we have these pieces right here. I was showing them off earlier. These are the Ackerman adjusters. But when we get them, they're machined from the shop, these actually need to be, these pins need to be welded to the base of the adjuster. And I have to actually manually do that, so that's going to be what I'm doing right now. So we saw these cars going by, the emergency response team. We decided to like chase down and find out where they were, because it was just a whole bunch of them going out here. There was even an ambulance towing a boat. I think that's actually the boat they were towing. Whoa! There's still water bubbling, still air bubbling up out of it. Like So I just got done assembling this set of SLR race arms. So these they don't have quite as much of a scallop in them for angle, but they're basically built to be lighter weight and stronger overall, just due to the geometry. For guys that are running slicks, you know, big load, big monster tires and stuff on their cars, you know, really pulling some G's. These are the ticket right here. There's actually a good amount of guys that are running these in Time Attack. Pretty much most of the E36s that you see running in Time Attack are running our race kit. And most of the guys, there's a lot of guys in BMW CCA that are running these as well. That a few of the dudes even have like their track record for BMWs. Pretty sweet. Like if you want to make your BMW faster around a racetrack and handle better, like we've seen people shave off a second with our kit, like a full second off the track. It's pretty crazy. Like that's a lot for just some suspension components, you know. So the roll center correction and the bump steer and the quicker steering definitely is an advantage, along with the lighter weight of these control arms, giving you less unsprung weight in total. Yeah, that's pretty badass stuff. All right, bye for right now. Time to head home. Headed back to Lakeland. Tomorrow, I'm going to OSW, going to a drift event there. It'll be sweet. I'm gonna go run into a whole bunch of my friends. Probably take some video from there too. Outside of Bartow. That's when the drugs kicked in. Oh, I'm so excited. Going to HK and Adam's bringing his RX-7. I've been so waiting to see this thing drive out on the road. He's actually got it registered and it's driving. It's gonna be awesome. He's got it's an old Turbo 2 FCRX-7 with a really clean LS1 swap. I did the fuel cell cage, or the mount, basically to mount the fuel cell on the back. You know, I welded together and built the whole thing. We've done some of the work on the headers. The headers had to be modified in order to actually fit the car. The headers weren't for the FC. They were 240Z LS1 swap headers that I then moved some of the tubes in order for them to fit. But yeah, anyway, I'm super stoked to see him actually drive the car on public roads. Hi, it's Adam.
Oh, are you vlogging?
Yeah, well, I gotta create content somehow.
What's up?
What's up, Baldy?
What's up? That's me.
Yeah, it's Adam. Yay, look, hey!
I guess I should have left it running for your vlog.
Nah, whatever, I don't care. No. Nobody watches this shit anyway. Right?
Watch it. I
Yeah.
watched like 2 episodes.
Yeah,
I'll
yeah.
have to edit this part out.
No, yeah. Well, why? I don't care.
For all 30 viewers right now.
Yeah, exactly. That's it's all 30. One of them has 50.
Nice.
Dude, like random videos I post get more views than any of the stuff that I've been posting. But I'm trying to stay up with like doing daily stuff.
So it wants to.
Oh, it's such a clean FC. Me, you, James,
No one else is there.
Sarah. Hi, Sarah.
It sounds pretty good.
Yeah. Sounds like a Camaro. Hey, where'd you get this Japanese Camaro?
eBay.
eBay. Really? Is this one of them? Their Hiroshima Zero Ninja V8 conversions?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. It's Taiwanese special max speeding rods.
Yes. Max speeding.
Max speeding. Yeah. Does this got them dick ass brakes on it? I'll tell you what, I love me some dick ass. And Nick is here. Yeah. What's up, dude? What up? Hell yeah. Oh, no, leave the beard alone. Oh, he dropped his phone.
That's my soccer ball. What are you talking about?
Oh, well, shit. Oh, the exhaust looks weird on it, though.
Yeah. So the funny thing is,
Like it hangs down really
style
far.
as the other one.
Yeah. Oh, it sits really low. Wow, does that drag at all?
No.
Huh. I would think that would drag over some of stuff.